At least this mission will be a straightforward one.
Huh. I don't know about your dimension, but out here, things never go according to plan. Improvisation is a skill you learn very fast.
I also have a talent for improvisation.
Well, I can't wait to see you in action. Let's get some phase courts repaired. I hope the fixer is as good as the Morts say he is.
Yes, I hope so too. The bridge seems to be out of commission.
Bet it was a raid. Places like this usually have to fend for themselves against bandits. Or pirates. Maybe one of the Bullards in town knows where to find him. They're very, knowledgeable about the area.
I hope they are more hospitable than the Bullards in my dimension. Pardon me. Does anyone here know where we can find the fixer?
Guess they're being cautious. Would I be?
Intel on different planets and plans for a secret weapon if you collect. You will be missed, sweet thing.
New tourists? Oh, welcome to the jewel of our galaxy. Please enjoy yourselves. Did you know Molinoff means paradise in Junkish?
Is the fixer on this planet?
He most definitely is. Great guy, the best, and single, if either of you are interested.
We were told that he can fix phase quartz.
Phase quartz, blaze quartz, any quartz, anything! But, we've been having trouble with pirates, so we asked him to help because, you know, he's a big guy. But after a few days of totally crushing them, he just, broke.
Perhaps we could fix him.
You two look like you could straighten him out in a Molinoff minute. But the path to him was destroyed in the last pirate raid, so you'll need a hurl shot. Oh, and I saw one in the smelting pits further ahead. Lucky you.
So, after this, are you and Ratchet going to the Lombax dimension?
It is possible. Ratchet is uncertain. Perhaps he is afraid that...
Wait, afraid? Why afraid?
It is complicated.
Well, hey, if he doesn't want to go, I will. Across the canyon. Here comes another one.
A smelting pit is a curious place for a hurl shot to be.
I'm guessing it has something to do with them all getting recalled recently. Something about fractured spines?
Oh, dear.
Smooth. There's a rift. How about that,
How
huh?
did this get here? Very impressive.
Out of our way.
That was unpleasant.
Here comes a jump.
Oh, dear. This rail system seems exceedingly dangerous.
Just hang on. It goes straight to the smelting pits.
I am afraid we may end up in a smelting pit.
Piece of cake. Oh, no.
Ahoy, yo-ho, yo-ho, our time has finally come. Let us plunder like mad and go break bad, for the fixer is all but done.
Look here, mateys, this looks useful. In fact, I've a notion that it be crucial.
It seems fate has brought us together again, ma petite rivette.
Guess fate really loves seeing you get your butt kicked, Pierre.
Ah! Yoo-hoo! Pirate mateys, attack!
Oh, dear. The pirates are waiting for scrap.
We can't let them get that hurl shot.
Perhaps it would be worth using the high ground here.
Good idea. Ah, shields? Looks like we're gonna have to get creative.
First make me right. Oh, let's get to plundering and scalawaggering. Nice, hey, matey. But stinky treasure still be treasure.
I adore the way you fight, Rivet, but you should have seen the fixer. Such power! For the last Evo!
Did you talk him to death or what?
I would love to take the credit, but no. The cause of the fixer's brokenness is a mystery.
Grab it home! Party coming for you, Bill.
They're blocking my shot!
You're in over your head!
That's all of them. Let's get that hurl shot down. Shot. Now we just have to get across that pirate-filled chasm and find the fixer. Ah, my spine!
To arms!
It's a mistake to get between pirates and their plundering. Brace yourselves!
We're pinned down!
If Mononoth is mostly junk, what are they hoping to loot here?
Where better to find buried treasure than on a junk planet?
Give her no quarter!
So the Je t'adore! Our looting was so boring until you arrived. So merci for livening things up.
Yeah, keep laughing, Pierre.
More? How many pirates does Pierre have?
Maybe the fixer will help finish them off. Then again, we seem to be doing pretty well on our own.
Incoming!
Your penchant for meddling is most annoying with it. Why must you always get in my way?
Did you ever think you're the one getting in my way?
Ha! I am afraid I am the protagonist of this story. Hello, everyone!
Yeah! I can't stand these shields!
Are you getting tired, Rivet? Perhaps you would like a new death partner!
Are we going to, dance?
No, we are not!
Clear, sharply. There be no plank for ye to walk here. Your end lies with This is what she gets for trying to steal what is ours.
What's yours? Ha!
It be a fool's quest to look for that fixer. I shall stay in trouble. Stand still and say goodbye. You're not going to scuttle me. That won't get.
Hold my hearties! Our command ship is lost! Destroy it now! Will it be expenses?
Are ye sure?
I suggest we abandon ship.
Suggestion noted! Nice one, Bolts. Whew. I'd be happy if I never saw a pirate again.
Want some sugar? Feel free to browse.
take the hint.
Speaking from experience, he won't.
The fix will be done for, and so shall ye!
Can't stop now. Not when we're this close to the fixer.
I be honored to bless ye myself. Your scraggly neck will pester Pierre no more. Your tail will be a fine swat for our gangs.
Enough yet?
What if the face corpse cannot be fixed?
And we're in deep trouble. But there's no point in worrying about it now.
I am both frustrated and excited. Run, obstacles, and signal the others. We must stop them before they reach the fixer.
How exactly will we fix the fixer?
I guess we have to turn him on first.
Was he turned off because he was broken?
Huh! This must be the fixer's on switch! Hello? Are you, okay?
No. I am broken, as is everything. Nothing can be fixed.
Oh my.
Nothing!
Yeah! At least the pirates are taken care of!
Please focus on the grinding.
He's bringing the whole place down!
Junk ahead!
Fixing is a vain and fleeting measure. Destruction is our natural state.
What is he, the breaker now?
I see a fellow broken one. You must accept your brokenness.
Is he talking about me?
Because of your arm? Don't listen to him, Bolts. If you're broken, so am I. And I think we're pretty awesome. Do you have any ideas? Because I'm having a hard time thinking while running away from a giant homicidal robot!
I am working on it.
Mine's collapsing. Great.
Men is to enlighten. I am not deserving of enlightenment. I have no wisdom.
Wisdom. I may have an idea.
I'm all ears.
I am broken. I cannot fix. I cannot be fixed.
Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall!
Oh dear.
Can everything stop falling apart, please?
improvising. I may be different than I was, but you helped me realize I am still Clank.
I am quite relieved. When the Vullards asked me to protect them, it opened my eyes to a great many broken things. So very many.
And you became distressed.
But being able to fix another, to see that all is not lost. How can I ever repay you both?
Can you fix this? Thank you.
You just gave an old giant robot the gift of hope. It should be I who is thanking you.
Phew. Let's get back to the ship, shall we?
Yes. Oh, I hope Ratchet had an easier time building a new Dimensionator.
So, are we gonna... Sorry, one sec.
Good merchandise when you...
None can resist the seductive powers of Molotov.
Bet Ratchet's got everything handled right now.
This is an ocean.
Pretty cool, right? And just think, once we forge this thing and save the dimension, you'll have a whole universe to explore.
How are you not afraid of the future? With all of its unknowns.
I do get, You asked me on Savali if I wanted to find my family. For a long time, I did. I mean, I really did. But the closer I got to doing that, what if they're not what I expected? What if I'm not what they expected? Anyways, I think we're here.
Kadaro Station houses the Emperor's most secret research, including the only Rubion forge strong enough to build the Dimensionator.
So it's our only shot. No?
No, that is the Lombax! Kill the Emperor and engage the lockdown!
The elevator is descending.
That better not be the only way into the station.
Backup reporting in with overwhelming power.
Do not get caught in the current!
This isn't punishment, it's an opportunity.
Guess we're not getting in the front door with this lock.
Can we look around? There must be another way in.
with Miss Zircon.
Is it cold in here, or is it just the cold snap? Shoot it at your foes to freeze them into solid, unyielding block.
Go on, you know you want it. More power is always a good thing. See you next time.
Ooh, that is Blizon, a common element for storing energy. But why does it look so... I knew it! The Blizon must have absorbed the excess energy released by the dimensional chaos. We have shifted into another dimension.
An abandoned dimension from the looks of it. The elevator's here.
If it helps, Ratchet, I have never met my family either. Unless you count the Emperor. In which case, you cannot do any worse.
Probably not. But even if the Lombaxes are the best family ever, they could still be disappointed in me.
How? You are a hero.
I've hit a few bad guys, sure, but they invented so many brilliant things.
You sell yourself short.
Maybe, but I have a good life in my dimension, Kit, and I don't want to risk it. Speaking of risk, if Kandaro Station exists in this dimension, do you think the Rubion Forge does too?
Possibly. But with the state of everything here, who knows if it would work?
Maybe our best bet then is to find some more Blizon and head back to the other dimension.
Do you think they were researching plants here?
Maybe. Or something broke out of its container.
Oh.
Doc! Is that an amoeboid?
This is quite a find. Imagine being consumed by those gelatinous flips?
I'm pretty sure they wouldn't have eaten you. That door's locked. Let's keep moving.
Lucy! Sorry. I thought you were someone else, but you're not.
Is he okay?
I'm Ratchet.
Oh, that is great. Hello, Ratchet. Were you looking for me? That would be great, too. Ooh, can I call you Chet?
No. And no. I'm looking for some Blizon.
Oh, I know just the place. But I lost my access arm in all of this water. Have to drain it, but how, Ratch? How?
Calm down. I'll handle it.
If the room is prone to flooding, they would likely keep the pump controls somewhere high.
Hey, Ratcho. You did not ask for it, but my name is Junkbot, in case you are interested. I know I am.
Pleasure to meet you, Junkbot. This is Kit.
Hello.
Hey, kids. So why do you two need that Blizon?
We're, trying to get into another dimension to use their Rubion Forge.
We have one here. Too bad it has not worked in forever. It could make the funnest squares.
So, is that access arm like some kind of key?
If by key you mean a way to easily and safely press buttons, then yes.
What?
But please on. Oh, there is an elevator that will take us to one of those delightfully glowy crystals right up ahead.
What is that?
That is Juice, my best friend. He tries to kill me sometimes, but he is a great listener.
He tries to kill you?
If you become friends too, you can call him Juicy, or Juicy, or JC. Oh, that is a swell nickname. Well done. You totally Oh, I have never seen Juice so playful before.
That's playful?
Usually he just moseys around the station doing his own thing, but he seems to be actively chasing you. I am jealous. There it is! My favorite Blizon in all of the station! I love the way it sparkles after you stare at it for 6 hours.
Well, I guess this is goodbye then. Thanks for all your help, Junkbot.
It was my pleasure, Rah-Rah Kitty.
Another dimension?
Yeah, very funny. Tell GeorgeBot he better watch his back tomorrow.
The movie on board should be just ahead.
What are you doing here?
That's actually a funny story.
Was I talking to you?
You are talking to me.
We are under lockdown. How did you and your steed get in here?
I am inspecting your facility. And how white it is. And orange. Because I am an interior decorator. First class. And the Emperor wanted this redecoration to be a surprise for you and your team. But now, you ruined it.
I would never do that to the Emperor. Please come in and consider my memory banks deleted.
Nice save, Decorator Kit. What do we do now?
Conversing with the researchers could help decrease suspicion. Or we can head straight to the Forge's controls and make the Dimensionator.
Looks like the Forge's controls are right up on that platform.
Memory banks. The Emperor not happy with our color palette, but he chose it himself.
Schematics uploaded.
What do we got? Uh-huh. I see.
Are you winging this?
Come on.
You ran the forge with auxiliary power only? The main power button was right there!
Ah, just running a stress test. Let me see. Yes, everything is breaking correctly.
Let's get out of here before...
Get those shards
forge not work?
I guess it wasn't fully powered? That other button didn't look right.
You said you were not winging this.
I'm not! I'm intuiting it! Security's everywhere! We gotta get out of here!
What about the Dimensionator?
We'll figure something out!
Interior decorators! How could you fall for such a stupid... They didn't even have licenses! I need that Lumbax found immediately. If he throws my victory any further, I'll go into the forge and make a nice mug for myself.
The intrusion of the Rubion forge has been destroyed, sir.
That won't be the last of them. We need to find a way to escape.
What if we use Blizon?
Good call! Monster Dimension sounds pretty good right about now!
Hold this room until backup arrives.
Blizon! That's our way out!
I see the intruders.
All right.
What do we do now? That was the only Rubion forge that could make the Dimensionator.
There's still one in this dimension, though. Maybe we can get it working again.
Rat! Kitsy!
Junkbot! What would it take to get your Rubion forge working again?
Well, there is the power issue. And with the power gone, some kind of nasty virus has infected the system. Nothing will work until it is cleared.
I think I have just the friend who can help. It's all yours, Glitch.
Time! Wait, this dimension has viruses too? This is a nuke pulse upgrade! They're flying now too? So what? They all get deleted the same way.
We'll see you again soon, Glitch. If your luck continues to hold.
Is that the virus? Someone has to stop them before they evolve even more. But that's not a problem here. The Rubion Forge has a clean bill of health now, so you can take over, Ratchet.
I knew you could do it, Glitch. Thank you.
Great work, Ratchet. You are all clear to power up the forge.
How do we do that?
By finding the power source. Last I saw it was down the stairs and past the pressure door, but FYI, it is a skosh spooky down there.
That's a lot of door.
This must be where they generate the forge's power. But there is nothing here. Is Junkbot messing with us?
I don't know, but if the power source really is missing, we could grab the one in the other dimension.
The one with an entire station looking for us?
Until we have a better solution. Now, let's find us some Blizon. Is that?
It is full of Slurpee on jelly? Bruce must be hungry.
Ah, weapons don't even faze him!
Error. Biohazard detected.
Huh?
Amoeboids! Not again! What is with the light?
He's right there!
That is somewhat alarming.
Biohazard resolved. Systems online.
Oh, that computer just turned on. Can we take a look? There is a research log. Let us watch.
Log released. Resuming playback on station log.
Come here! Come here! Okay, look out past the reef. I just saw it playing around and look! You see it? How does it...
This lock's controlled by a bolt crank. Guess they didn't get around to upgrading this room. That's our cue!
Almost there!
How'd he get here so fast? Whoa! All right. Our Blizon, where would I be?
Ratchet, are you okay?
Yeah. Luckily, my O2 filtrator still works. Hadn't tested it in years.
Ratchet, I have been thinking about what you said earlier about the Lombaxes and risking a good life. I had a good life on Savali. It was peaceful, quiet, even joyful. So when you asked to become partners, I did not want to risk things either. But I am glad I did.
Thanks, kid. That means a lot. But I'm just not sure it's...
It was okay. now I can be the one who believes in you. Up ahead, an airlock.
Some new gear? I got a special discount at 100 fathoms.
Ms. Zircon? What are you doing here?
If Zircon Jr. wants to study existential economics at Bogon University, then by goodness, I will make sure we can afford it. You already made that upgrade, silly. My stars! That is a good one! Boost that bad boy! See you next time!
There is an increased magnetic field here. The power source must be nearby.
We shall decorate the floor with them.
We should free him. Look at what they put him through. No wonder he is so angry.
We come in peace, big guy? Is that a happy hiss or an angry hiss?
Capture the power source! It was not scheduled to have hope today!
He's helping us? He's helping us! Man, that's a relief.
The target has a long-range weapon!
understand me? Finally bringing in the big guns, huh? Oh, that's a lot of big guns.
For incineration! Ha ha ha! The Emperor will hear us! You cannot stop me! A temporary setback.
Hey, Juice! You wouldn't happen to know another way to power up the Rubion Forge, would ya?
Does he want us to follow him?
Eliminated. Power source jeopardized.
The Blizon. He wants to come with us.
Any place is better than here, right? Maybe he can help us power the forge after all. Still with us, Juice?
Come on. The Rubion Forge is upstairs.
Come on, JC! It is me! Good old JB!
Wow!
Power restored to maximum level.
Schematics uploaded.
Did it work? Woo! Yes, we did it, kid! You are a good partner.
Here is to new friends!
Looks like we just need to get back to our ship now.
Oh, this elevator can take you right back to the surface, no problem.
Thanks, and will do. Junkie.
No, wait! Wait, we?
I knew you could do it. We have obtained the phase quartz as well.
Yeah, meet us at Zerky so we can build this thing.
Oh. How do I meet someone?
What are you talking about? You met me, and that went great.
I fell off the archives in front of you and screamed. A lot.
True. I don't know, just be friendly and open. And don't overthink it.
Don't overthink it. Okay.
Guess it's time to fix the dimensions.
rivets to it.